Hi guys, it's teacher Anna here from Speak English with Anna. Today I have another conversation for you. This is a conversation between three friends and college students. They are talking about their summer plans or their travel plans. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. Let's get into it. Speak English with Anna. Sarah, Chloe, and Jack are talking about their summer plans. Follow along with their conversation. Pay attention to the red words. We will talk about those at the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Have you guys made any plans for the summer yet? No, I'm going to DC with my parents for a long weekend, but I'd love to do something with friends. I haven't either. What about you, Sarah? Well, my aunt and uncle have an apartment close to the beach in Ocean City, and they said I could use it for a week. Lucky you. Who are you going with? I don't know yet. My roommate was supposed to come, but she just backed out because of her work schedule. Bummer. Yeah, so I guess I'm going alone, unless you guys are interested. What? Are you serious? I am. You should think about it. I don't need to think about it. Count me in. Haha, you don't even know when I'm going. Right. When are you going? July 10 to 17. It takes 3 hours to get there, so I'm hitting the road first thing in the morning. That way I can still go to the beach that afternoon. We could carpool. I can chip in. Totally. What about you, Jack? It sounds amazing, but I feel kind of weird going on vacation with two girls. You'd have your own bedroom. I don't think it's weird. We would have fun. I don't know. Tell you what, bring a friend. I'm sure you have a guy friend you could invite. He needs to be chill, though. I agree. My aunt and uncle trust me, so we can't have parties with tons of people and wreck the place. My best friend David is a good guy. I can vouch for him. He's a history major and loves birdwatching. Wow, he's not boring, is he? It's okay, he can be boring. I love nerdy guys. Chloe is going to have a crush on him before we know it. He'd probably like you too, Chloe. Oh, stop. You guys are embarrassing me. So, it's a plan? Jack, you ask your friend David. We can all carpool and chip in with gas. We'll leave first thing in the morning on the 10th. It's a plan. I'm so excited. Thanks, Sarah. It's really kind of you to invite us. It is. I haven't been to the beach in forever. You're so welcome. I'm just so glad I don't have to go by myself. Hey, class is starting in 2 minutes. We better get going. Let's look at some of the vocabulary words. My roommate was supposed to come, but she just backed out because of her work schedule. Bummer. To back out means to cancel or quit something you said previously that you would do. Bummer means that's too bad, that's disappointing. Here she's referring to her roommate canceling the trip. I don't need to think about it. Count me in. Count me in means I will be there. I accept your invitation. I will join you. July 10 to 17. It takes 3 hours to get there, so I'm hitting the road first thing in the morning. That way I can still go to the beach that afternoon. To hit the road means to begin a trip by car, to start a journey by car. First thing in the morning means early in the morning, as soon as possible. We could carpool. I can chip in. Carpool means to drive together in one car. Chip in means to contribute or to help. In this case, with paying for gas for the car. Tell you what, bring a friend. I'm sure you have a guy friend you could invite. Tell you what means I have an idea or I have a solution. He needs to be chill though. To be chill is someone who is easy to get along with, not a difficult person, relaxed and flexible. I agree, my aunt and uncle trust me, so we can't have parties with tons of people and wreck the place. To wreck the place means to make a big mess in the house, to damage the house. We can also say wreck the house or wreck the room. My best friend David is a good guy. I can vouch for him. He's a history major and loves bird watching. To vouch for someone means you guarantee or promise that someone will do something or be a certain way. It's okay, he can be boring. I love nerdy guys. Nerdy means someone is intelligent and knows a lot about things that aren't cool according to most people. In this case, history and bird watching. Chloe is going to have a crush on him before we know it. To have a crush on someone means to like someone in a romantic way. Before we know it means very soon. It is. I haven't been to the beach in forever. In forever means in a very long time. It is used with a negative present perfect, have not been. For example, I haven't seen you in forever. It hasn't rained in forever. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you tell me in the comments what is something you haven't done in forever. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more videos just like this. And click here for the next conversation. I'll see you soon.